Daisies blooming, sundress swaying in the breeze. Can't stop staring. You've put a spell on me, and I hope that you never decide to set me free. The way you're moving, it's got me moving my own feet. The greatest feeling that I could ever dare to dream is you forever moving next to me. Let's not waste time or take this slow. We've got miles behind us but miles to go, so let's just break this down to the simplest truth.
Alright folks, here we are. Welcome back. It's been far too long. I've missed the past couple of weeks due to being a grown-up and work and all that sort of stuff. So before it started getting too warm, we are hitting Florida again, but we have moved a little bit out west to somewhere I've never gone. You know, Apalachicola National Forest. First time here, and we just got to the beginning where I wanted to start at. So using I did a little bit of research beforehand and pulled up Onyx Off-Road. That's the app I use. Mark some potential campsites. So Chaos and I say hey Chaos. Looks to be some good campsites. I'm wondering what the terrain is going to be like, if it's much different than, you know, the rest of Florida. But I'm hoping there's a little bit of diversity here and just see what it has to offer and come up across some wildlife or whatever. But yeah, we're going to get our track going, and here we go. Let's go. All right, first stop, and man, I could camp here, you know. It is, I haven't got a clue, it's probably around 2:30, 2 o'clock, but yeah, Onyx did the job for me. I looked it up and looked like it was a good spot, and it is. It's very nice, right there on the water. So let me go ahead and quit talking about it and just show you guys. So yeah, as usual, always You guys probably saw a couple cans already, you know. Well, we're kind of used to that. Come on, guys. You know, if you get out and do this sort of stuff, you know, pick up, take your stuff out with you, pack it out. So this is absolutely an awesome, beautiful spot. So we are here mid-March. Spring's starting to set in, so and they're starting to see all the new growth, and the wildflowers starting to grow. So this is nice. It's gonna be a good spot. But I don't think we're gonna camp here tonight, just because, you know, I just got started. So definitely will keep this in mind and look at some of my other spots. Obviously I chose spots around water just because I enjoy the water. So I love being by the water. Here in Florida, that definitely does come with some hazards. So, but just be cognizant of it and yeah, plan accordingly. Black racer. This little guy. If you guys can see him, there he is. Doesn't seem too scared of me yet. There you go. And he gone. Alright, before I get too far ahead of myself, just got a little bit of daylight left, but we found a spot. I think. So yeah, get Mr. Chaos some food, and yeah, the dirty truck from the day's ride. But yeah, this is the spot. It's like there was a bridge here, and bridge went away. It's just a small little pond, lake. Obviously I don't have any signal, so I don't know if it's got a name or what. And I neglected to download the map ahead of time. So, but I could see it was a trail here. So, and it, I mean, it's clear. That trail is, so I just, yeah. Came back here, I saw a dead end, and usually dead ends are a good spot to take a look. But I couldn't even see the body of water on my map. So anyways, pretty ecstatic. You guys okay? All right. So pretty happy about this spot. So going to get the camp set up and yeah, get some food cooked. I'm hungry. All right, we'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, we are, I think, pretty much set up. I'm not gonna open the awning just because, yeah, I don't know what that weather's gonna do. So it's gonna be less I have to pack up. Should it be raining in the morning? We got a nice old fire going. Chaos is chilling out. Yeah. And yeah, there's fire. So got the tent and the bedding. I think it got into the mid 80s today, and I believe it's only going to drop down to like 60, 64 last I checked. Yeah, 64. No, I wish 60. I wish it was cooler. Just because it's a lot nicer to sleep in that. But, you know, it is what it is. So, skeeters are out, but I got, they're not bothering me none any really. Probably just going to make some ham sandwiches for dinner. I know it's not too exciting, but it's what I hate about getting in late to camp. You know, a lot of people, they get into camp and late. They like driving all day. I'm not one of those kind of people. But today, just because, well, I was looking for a good campsite. So this definitely qualifies as that. So, angled the truck so that I can wake up. The sun should be rising over there on the east, so enjoy that. But yeah, just gonna relax tonight. Probably call it to bed early. We'll see. We'll see how much more recording I do through the night, if any. So I'm sure I will. Um, but it was a good day. You know, it's once you go, I like. I've been out west. I've traveled a lot when I was younger and stuff like that. So, and I've lived in Florida since, oh gosh, 93. So just a little bit. 92, 93. But this definitely tides me over for my weekend trips and stuff like that. And I haven't been to Osceola, so it's, or Apalachicola, I'm sorry. So it's huge, but it's real nice. But it's kind of an Osceola, which is always wet, and an Ocala National Forest, which is pretty sandy. So it's got a mixture of both. So, but yeah, it's got more water than the others. So as far as just like lakes and little creeks and stuff of that nature, that first spot was at Lost Creek. I couldn't remember the name at the time, but yeah, so anyways, until a little bit later, and maybe a full belly. Adios for now. Gonna enjoy this sunset.